Okay.
Where have you been?
Dude's been walking out here. Dude has a lot more responsibility than you can imagine. Roll the windows down, turn the key on, the power windows, roll all the windows down, unclasp the convertible top, and then drop it all the way down till it's seated, and then we'll be ready to go. You're doing a good job. Hold your foot down. What in the name of are you doing? Get out.
No, okay, tell me how
it's
to do it.
It's a $500,000 car. No, I can't tell you.
Tell me how to do it. Not one step at a time. I can handle all the steps at once.
I don't believe you can. Please let me in there so I can start it. Thank you. Okay. First thing to find out in a Chrysler is to crank it over and see if it wants to start, having knowledge whether the car's cold or warm. Now,
and you had to tell me this while you were
warm. So you shouldn't even need to touch the accelerator. When you touch that accelerator, you flooded it. This is not a fuel injected car. So let's just try cranking it and seeing if it starts with no gas at all.
That was a setup. Are you kidding me?
To say it is.
It was only warmed up because I tried to start it. You told me to put my foot on the gas.
After you pumped the out of it and flooded the poor piece of crap. There's dual four carburetors. You can't just stop that gas pedal.
You don't even want me to succeed.
Hey, Dean! Would you agree that the Road Runner is ready for its maiden voyage on the open road?
It is. We're ready to go. I'm ready more than ever. Let's do this.
Give me a one thumbs up. 3, give me the 4th. There you go.
Take a look at those thumbs.
Phenomenal car. I mean, what a driver. And you haven't got a chance to be out in these things, but some of the cars that I've driven on the initial run don't work out so well because they're cars. There's 1,000 pieces that can go wrong. But honestly, this car just smooth as glass, no problems, drove like a dream. Temperature gauge worked, fuel gauge works, all the instrumentation. It's just phenomenal. Another one bites the dust. And another one gone, and another one gone, another one bite the dust.
Are we done?
Hey, I want to get to you, another one
Stop
bite
it,
the dust.
What is
Another
that?
one bite the dust. That's what he says. Bite the dust. Bite the dust. Bite the dust. It's a Queen. It's from back in the 70s. I grew up on it. It doesn't matter. Okay, the car's done. It's no fun.